Hi Steve, emotional game, lots of ups and downs in it. What's your thoughts?
I thought we were the dominant team for large spells, and just their goals had lived a charmed life tonight. Especially first half. Second half, it was a little bit to and fro, and it's one of them, you take it on the chin. It was just one of them games.
We created a lot of chances first half, and you started to think, is it not our day?
Yeah, no, well, you were, and it took a wonder strike from Stef. I was right behind it, and it flew straight in. So frustrated, but please, it's a draw. It's the first game of the season. One of our rivals. We go again.
We looked really calm in possession, and even when we went behind, we still remained calm and did the same things. We didn't panic, didn't play long balls. Is that something that you're pleased about?
We stick to the process. We've got our game plan. We've got the way we play. The first sign of trouble, and we change. No, we stick to it. We believe in it. And it showed. We got what we deserved, I believe. And,
definitely.
Credit to them. Credit to them. They worked hard. They made it difficult for us, and they created one or two chances themselves. But on the whole, I think anybody watching would say, how we haven't won the game. But that's through, a little bit of luck on their side. But also a lot of bad finishing from our side. We've had good chances, and we need to be better in that area and other certain areas. Keeping the ball at times. But on the whole, the lads have worked tremendously hard to get to this stage, and we've got a draw. We've got a point on the board. We go again Wednesday and Thursday, ready for the following week against Flint.
Okay. There were two quite strong penalty appeals in the game. What were your thoughts on that, or do you not want to talk about that?
I've had a chat with Nick, and he said he'll watch it back, and he said he'll contact me and apologise if he's made the wrong decision. He doesn't believe he has. It is what it is. It's they've split second, to make that decision. That's up to them. So he's a great ref. It is what it is, but. We'll have to watch it back, and then I'll have to make that decision.
Okay. All right. Thanks for your time, and well done on getting the draw in the end. On to the next game.
On to the next one.
Thank you.